We are Group 11. Welcome to our Lovida Hotel.
Good morning. This is Lovida Hotel in San Mateo. How may I help you?
Hi, this is Lovely the Hotel in San Mateo, right?
Yes, we are. How may I help you?
I would like to have a reservation for 6 people for 2 nights.
Absolutely. We'll have you to accommodate your group when we are planning to check in and check out.
We'll be arriving on July 5 and checking out on July 7.
Let me check our availability for you. Please hold on for a moment.
Okay.
Great news. We have room available for your desired dates. How many rooms would you like to reserve for you? We offer a variety of room levels to accommodate your group. We have options such as double room, suite room, or connecting rooms. Which type of room would you like to prefer for your group?
H3 double rooms, please. By the way, what's the rate for the rooms?
Great. The room is 3,000 per night. To proceed with the reservation, I'll need the full name of all guests in your group.
Sure. The names are Ivy Bravo, Rosalind Bermejo, and Cyril Balili, and also Jack and the Surka.
Great. Now what name will the reservation be listed under?
Miss Librason, please.
Okay, ma'am. And in their phone number will you can be contacted.
Yes, my phone number is 0995-322-5692.
Now, I need your credit card information to reserve the room of your group. And what type card is it?
Lisa, the number is 0014 56 1201.
I repeat your number 0014561201. Alright, Ms. Ligerson. Thank you for providing the information. Your reservation for 3 double rooms and for a group of 6 of people from July 5 to July 7 is confirmed. If you have any questions or further assistance, feel free to ask. We look forward to welcome you in our hotel.
Okay, thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in July. Please enjoy your vacation. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Lovida Hotel. How may I help you, ma'am?
Hi, Miss. We have a reservation for today. Our group consists of 6 people.
I'm glad you're here, ma'am. May I have the name under which the reservation was made?
The reservation is under the name of Angel Librason.
Okay, thank you, Miss Angel. Let me just locate your reservation. Here it is, ma'am. You have booked 3 double rooms for your group. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
So, perfect. I have the room key ready. You'll be staying in the room 305, 304, and 306. Here are your keys along with your numbers.
Okay, thank you.